How to import contacts on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can import contacts on Gmail. And the first step would be for you to install the contact application on your device. Once you have installed it and you're logged into your Gmail account, move to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. And then amongst the options located, you'll see Google Apps. Under it, you'll see Contact. So click on Contact and then you'll be taken to the Contact page. Once you're on this page, the next step is move to the bottom right corner and click on the plus icon in order for you to add the contact or import a contact. So to add a contact, you can just go ahead and type out the name of the person, the surname, and then the contact will be added successfully. And then in order for you to import contacts from your phone, just move to the bottom right corner and click on the organize icon. And then on the contact page, you'll see Google, you see this device, and then you see import from file. All right, just below manage SIM. So click on import from file and then go ahead and select where you want to save your imported contacts to. And then you'll be asked to select the file. So you must select your contact file, the one that you have added to your phone already in a CSV or VCAD format, and then locate where it is, then click on it and click on import, and then this contact would be imported or into your Gmail account as easily as that. So this is how you can import contact on Gmail. Thank you for watching and have a good day.